Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by locking down essentials. Pick the platform and a reliable microphone, then decide a concise wake word and 4 8-core intents. Once chosen, create a minimal flowchart that maps user phrases to intents so you know what to handle first. Install the SDK or library for your platform and run a quick mic loopback to verify audio capture and latency. This immediate feedback prevents wasted effort later and lets you start building intent handlers with real audio input right away. Now focus on the middle work, training natural language understanding and robust intent handling. You should collect 20-50 example utterances per intent, then implement slot filling and confirmation prompts so the system can ask for missing information. Once done, add synonyms and reject slots for structured values and include background noise samples in training to increase tolerance. Make sure to manage context across turns so follow-up commands behave predictably, and profile latency to keep responses fast and natural for the user. Complete the build by integrating intent handlers with your backend APIs, securing credentials, and wiring responses to the UI or devices. Then run extensive testing, 50+ real user scenarios, edge cases, and adverse noise conditions to measure accuracy and latency. Once stable, deploy with logging and monitoring for intent failures and performance metrics so you can iterate. If things go wrong, first check microphone permissions, input gain, and nearby noise sources. These are the most common causes of unreliable voice commands.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.